Is it time to buy or sell Mannatech stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Mannatech. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 30th of September, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 30th of September, 2025, our system has ranked Mannatech as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 3.01. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. We will continue monitoring this evaluation to see how it unfolds in the coming days. The stock is positioned in the upper segment of a broad and weak upward trend in the short term, which may present an attractive selling opportunity for short-term traders. As a reaction back towards the lower section of the trend is anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $10.11 would initially suggest a stronger rate of increase. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 2.28% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 20.64% to positive 3.96%. Examining the longer-term perspective, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of negative 5.65%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 41.60% to positive 42.85% over the next year. In current terms, this would imply a future price somewhere between $5.81 and $14.21. Our latest daily update from Mannatech includes the headline, High Volatility in Mannatech Stock Price on Tuesday, which ended trading at $9.95. The Mannatech stock price gained 16.82% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 30th of September 2025, rising from $8.51 to $9.95. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 20.55%, with a day low at $8.71 and a day high of $10.50. The price has been experiencing ups and downs during this period, resulting in a 24.39% gain over the last 2 weeks. Volume increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 38,000 more shares traded than the day before. In total, 39,000 shares were bought and sold for approximately $388,333. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $16.49, while the lowest price was $7.05. Currently, the price is 39.69%, or $6.55, below the 52-week high, and 79.74%, or $39.14, below the all-time high on July 7, 2021, when the price reached $49.08. Mannatech, operating under the name MTEX, is experiencing a noticeable decrease in top-line momentum. Net sales have decreased from approximately $29 million in late 2024 to $26.6 million in the first quarter of 2025, and further to $25.7 million in the second quarter of 2025, with declines observed year over year during each period. This year, management has made significant moves, including the promotion of Peter Griscom to Chief Operating Officer in June and an earlier refresh of the finance and board leadership. But additionally, shareholders approved all proposals during the annual meeting. In the short term, these consecutive sales declines exert downward pressure on the stock as investors respond to weaker demand and the potential risk of margin compression. The quarterly results and guidance are likely to create volatility in the market. The appointment of the new COO and the stability in governance are modest positives. If Griscom can enhance distributor channel efficiencies and maintain cost discipline, it could help halt the downward trend and foster a recovery in investor sentiment. Looking towards the long term, sustained revenue stabilization and improved margin execution will be necessary to elevate the valuation multiples. Without these improvements, ongoing declines may keep the stock underperforming. It is important to monitor upcoming quarterly sales trends and the execution of operational initiatives. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to Mannatech stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts indicate that the stock warrants a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Mannatech. The chart today presents mostly positive signals. Mannatech stock shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable forecast. However, there is a general sell signal due to the relationship between these averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average in the event of downward corrections. Support can be expected at levels of $8.68 and $8.81. A drop below either of these thresholds would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was noted from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 12th of September, 2025, and since then, the stock has risen by 27.5%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence-divergence, or MACD. Mannatech has experienced increased trading volume, coinciding with the recent price surge. This is considered a technical positive sign, as higher volume should accompany price movements. Increased liquidity also serves to diminish overall risk. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 13 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 54 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal 14 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal 133 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you would like to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Mannatech. Mannatech finds support from accumulated volume at $9.51. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with strong trading volume, the risk is assessed to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $1.79 between its high and low, representing a change of 20.55%. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 8.08%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Mannatech, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on November 11, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Mannatech. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Mannatech is at $9.99. If you cannot own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Mannatech encounters its first support level at $9.51. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Mannatech from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock is older than 3 months. The latest trade occurred on the 4th day of June, in the year 2025, when Frederick J. Stanley conducted an insider purchase of 5,000 shares of the right to purchase common stock. Our recommended stop loss is set at $9.58, reflecting a decline of 3.7%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, we have identified a buy signal originating from a pivot bottom that occurred 12 days ago. Is Mannatech stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, combined with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for Mannatech stock to perform well in the short term. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a hold to a buy candidate since our last evaluation, after analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day. Our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 1st of October, we expect Mannatech to open lower by 22 cents and start trading at $9.72. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not solely rely on information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target price for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us at StockInvest.